What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another episode of KJD Investor. This is yours truly, KJ. And without further ado, let's go ahead and hop into the portfolio. As you guys can see right now, the investing account going kind of crazy. We're up 52,606 and 61 cents. On the past hour, we're down $42.44. But who am I kidding? For the past couple of months, as a matter of fact, the year to date, I'm going to show y'all this. Year to date, we're down a couple of grand, more than a couple, almost 11. Right here, the portfolio is down 17.25% year to date. We're down $10,963.41. There's absolutely nothing we can do about it. And why do I say that? Because, guys, everybody's portfolio is down right now. As a matter of fact, I've told you guys this before. The tariff talk, 47 up there in the office, doing what he do, scaring the market. He feel like don't nothing else matter but what he say. So guess what? The market's going to pay. The investors are going to pay for it. Investors selling out of positions. I'm talking about big techs. I'm talking about it don't matter what your stock PE ratio is. A lot of people like to put their money in Apple. As a matter of fact, I did buy some more Apple. I bought more Apple stock. Why? Because Apple PE ratio is low and it's pretty good. And so I was trying to hedge my money the best that I could. But as you can see and tell and see, we're still down 17% in the position, in the portfolio, year to date. My buying power, I got 7 cents in my buying power, guys. Don't worry about it. Don't stress about it. I put some more money into the market today. I went and bought some Big Boy Blue Chip because that's what I do. I'm an investor. I'm not scared of the market. I'm not scared of the unpredictability. I'm just an investor trying to get the wealth. And you guys already know that. Okay, going down. Got crypto holdings. Bitcoin is currently 75,000. Doge is at 14 cents. Ethereum is at 1,423. Avalanche is at $16.10. Look at the big boy stocks and ETFs. That's the cream of the crop. VU is down to 452. Like I said, guys, it's not looking pretty for nobody's stocks right now. Oh, I got a green in the mix. Coca-Cola. Let's click on it. Coca-Cola is at $68.42 today. It barely surpassed the starting out point. 32.94 shares of Coca-Cola is where I'm sitting at. The market value is $22.54 and 30 cents. Average cost is $60.80. And right now, total return, we're up $250.92, which is 12.53% in this position. And Coca-Cola is a great value company. It also just paid out dividends not too long ago. So Coca-Cola, we're going to continue to hold this position, continue to add to it in the long term. I believe this will be great for the dividend part of the portfolio to continue bringing in returns. Now, what I do want to shed some good light on with you guys, I know you guys looking for some good news, and I got some for you. Guys, today I used today as it was another red day, but I used it as an opportunity to create wealth. That's right. I invested in more stocks and ETFs today than I have in a long time. What do you mean? Okay. Amazon sitting at $169.75. Today, Amazon was down $4.17. Even into the overnight, it went down another $1.34. So Amazon's down over 3% today. I bought $50 worth of Amazon today. I got 4.22 shares. Market value $716.84. Average cost is $167.82. And total return, I'm up $8.16 or 1.15% in the market. Today, like I said, I'm just going to show you this real quick. I usually don't go this far down. All right, there, April 8th, I bought $50 on Amazon right there. Also, I told you Apple's at $172.03. It's down almost $9 today. I bought another good bit of Apple. I got 17.34 shares. Market value is $2,982.99. Average cost is $175.10. Total return, we're down $53.78. I bought another $50 of Apple today. I'm just dollar cost averaging, y'all. Dollar cost averaging. I know a lot of y'all like, well, KJ, $50, that's not a whole lot of money to be buying anything. Duh, listen, it's dollar cost averaging. I want you guys to get that through your heads. It's okay. It's okay. You don't have to spend $800 on one particular stock. You don't have to put in $250 in one particular stock unless that's just what you want to do. But I seen today as an opportunity to buy the Mag 7. And that's what I did. I took the money that I normally put over into the brokerage account and I split it up and I bought Big Boy Blue Chip and I'm going to hold on to it long term. And now when 47 came out with the news about permanent tariffs, now the tariffs are not permanent. He said we're open to negotiation. What did we see earlier today in the market when he said that? We seen some green. We seen some movement to the upper right corner of the portfolio. So that means everybody is now opening to negotiation because 47 said we were going to have 100% tariffs and everybody was going to be affected. This one man made the whole world submit to what he was trying to do. That's something crazy to think about. But I'm saying you have over, from what we've been told from the White House, we have over between 30 to 50 different countries calling America, trying to talk to the president about negotiating these terms about these tariffs. I'm just saying, the man, you might like him, you might not. I don't know, and I don't care. But what I'm saying is, if negotiation is what it takes to get the point across, it looks like we finally finna get the negotiation that we've been looking for. Google, Alphabet Class A, 143.50 cents a share. I bought more of that today as well. Now I'm up to 13.07 shares of Google. Total return was still down on $11.91, but that's okay. I put another $50 in this position today as well. Also, Class C, Alphabet Class C. The difference between Class A and Class C. Class A, you have voters' rights. Class C, you don't. That's the only difference. But Alphabet Class C, the Google, Alphabet is the parent company. It's 145.31. It's down as well. I bought more of that today as well. Put another $50 into this one. It's 5.26 shares of Google Alphabet Class C. I got market value $765.33, 178.10 is the average cost, and I'm down still 172.84 or negative 18, almost 19% in this position. But we're dollar cost averaging while the prices are super, super low. I know a lot of people are nervous. They're keeping money out of the market. They're pulling money out of the market. But me, I took a chunk of money today and I dived head first into the market. You've heard about 4 different companies that I've put $500 into already. 4 different investments, put it that way. Google, Alphabet Class A and Class C, they're the same company. Alphabet is the parent company of Google, but you guys get what I'm saying. I put $50 into each respective parts of Google. So I've done that 4 times. I'm already up $200 invested in the market just today. And that's not all that I did. Also, you guys guessed it, NVIDIA. NVIDIA's been sitting low. It's at $94.76 today. My new position in NVIDIA is 55 shares instead of 54. I'm at 55.23. Market value is $5,236.46, and it continues to change. Average cost is $118.07. Right now, total return, we're down $1,287.96, or almost down 20% in this position. You guessed it. I took a $50 and I invested in NVIDIA as well. I sure did. Because that's what you do in times of market crisis like it is. Meta Platforms right now trading at a low $498.35. Meta's still expensive. But guess what? It's down even in the overnights. $12.45. In today it went down $5.45. So my goodness, over $17 of decreased price of Meta. I bought more, guys. I ain't gonna tell you no story. I took about the rest I had was $48, and I threw it in Meta right here. I'm up to 2.63 shares in Meta. Market value $1,310.96. Average cost is $510.05, and right now total return is a negative $30.79, or almost a negative 3%. And that wasn't all. I wasn't satisfied with only buying $48 worth of Meta. So what I did, I went to the traditional IRA, which if we look at the year to date, we are down in this account over $9,575. In the investing account, you guys remember we were down over 10,000. Now in the traditional IRA, we're down over 9,000. So I want you to combine those two together, and you'll get how much that I'm actually down. Guys, we're down over 20K in the market. My portfolio is lost about this right on the traditional IRA is about 22%. The investing account is about 17%. So that'll be about 39%. That's 39% over almost 40% of decline, guys, because of the tariffs. This is a long way from February 19th when we were at the peak of our market this year. February 19th, 2025, we were at the peak of our market, all-time highs. But ever since 47 came in, the new administration came in, the tariffs and everything came in, the portfolio has declined 40%. That's huge. That's almost 50%, half of what I've had in the market before. So anyway, buying power is $19.95 and 39 cents. My Nvidia's call is still going. It was worth it's down to 9 cents right now, which actually means $9. But I'm actually up profit wise $4 in that position. And I'm just gonna wait it out and continue selling covered calls on Nvidia. I tried to do the best I could to try to hedge against what we are now facing, but a lot of investors, even investors with 7 figures, 8 figures in their accounts, are down today. They are down because they couldn't hedge against this. Couldn't nobody predict this or hedge against this. So it's 40%, guys. I'm down 40%. There's some portfolios out here down 60%, 70%. So, you know, do the best I can to keep myself above water. But yeah. Right here, we are in, I don't think I really made any trades in this. Oh, yes, I did. Meta right here in this position. Since I had a couple more dollars in the buying power, I put $100 towards this portion of Meta. So I got 3.76 shares of it over here in the traditional IRA. Put $100 towards Meta right here. Palantir still is at $76.09. Palantir, I got 26.79 shares, and I'm looking to buy more. Right now, total return is $1.48. Market value is $2,037.04. Palantir, guys, not a bad choice right now if you're looking at the build wealth. And guys, that's exactly what I'm here to do. I'm here to build wealth. I don't get scared in times of market need. Look at Coca-Cola. It don't turn red. See? I don't look at this as a time of need. I look at this as a time to get. Now, a big contribution I made today, you guys know it, SPLG. That's my S&P 500 ETF, sitting at $57.77. Low, and that's what I like. I like it low. And guys, I put $200 in SPLG today. I'm at 241.37 shares of SPLG. Market value is $13,944.26. Average cost is $64.27. Total return, we're down right now, $15.67 and 69 cents. We're down 10%, 10.15% just in SPLG. SPLG is my foundational ETF. When all else fails, guys, I invest in SPLG. That's why I got the most invested in it today. But I put, like I said, just in SPLG by itself, I did $200 within that. And so we got that covered. I'm up to 241 shares. If you guys been following me, you know I was stuck at 237 for the longest, but now I'm at 241. Buying bits and pieces, man. I'm not trying to overdo it. I'm not trying to, you still got to live. You still got to pay bills. You still got to put money in your savings. You still got to feed the family that you live with. You got to run a house. And that's all the things that I do with my money when I get paid, guys. I don't sit here and just throw all my money into the market, but I do throw a big chunk of it into the market. Now, I've showed you this individual stocks that I've put in certain amounts of money, and I've called it out on this video. So if you want to know what I've done, you go back and add it up for yourself. But I will also tell you, I'm not done telling you about my investments. I also today bought some FTEC. FTEC is the Fidelity Information Technology Index ETF. Right now, it's sitting as low as I've ever seen it sit. It's 136.40 cents. Right now I got 19.62 shares. You might ask, where did those extra shares come from? Well, it came from me buying some today in the market. Market value is $26.76 and 92 cents. Average cost is $170.85. Total return, we're down $676.09, or a 20% decline in the position. Guys, since I seen FTEC, it was such on sale. I put how much did I spend on it today? 100, and right there, history. You see April the 8th, I spent $150 on FTEC today. And that's back when it was at 140. I spent $150 on FTEC today. Like I told you guys, SPLG, I spent like 200 right there. There it is, market by April 8th. 200 on it right there. Guys, I'm showing you receipts. I'm showing you what I actually done. You guys, I don't want you guys feeling like, oh, he's telling us, but it's not real. No. I'm a real YouTuber. I'm a real person. Look at that. NVIDIA, April 8th today, $50. Boom. Dollar cost averaging, man. I dollar cost averaging to these positions. So, yeah. You guys, I am telling you the absolute truth. This is what I do. Meta. I told you what I did. I told you that I put in $48 in Meta because it was my last $48 that I had in this account. Look at there. April 8th, $48 Meta. And then over here into the traditional IRA, I told you I bought more Meta over here for $100. And let me show you. This is the transparency that you wish your favorite YouTuber had. Look at there. Meta, April 8th, 2025, $100. Boom. That's what I'm talking about. This is the transparency you wish your favorite YouTuber had, but this is transparency that I have. So that's what I'm saying, guys. We're all in this thing together. We're down right now, 9,600 in this account. And then come back over here, we're down 11,000 in this account. So, yeah, over 20,000. Over 20,000. We down, but it's okay. Don't fret, don't faint. I'm going to continue buying Big Boy blue chip stocks, and I'm going to continue buying my ETFs. I'm going to continue dollar cost averaging in. I don't care what my buying power say, 7 cents. It'll be back up by Friday. Don't worry about that either. Y'all, I'm not stressing it. And then you got right there, total return, $86,378.34. It's okay. You already know once the value return to these stocks, it's not going to be like that forever. It's always going to grow. It's always going to go higher, man. So don't trip. All right, I hope you guys got something from this episode. If you got any kind of questions, comments, concerns, drop it down below in the comment box below. This has been a blast one to make, and I'm going to continue to buy. I'm going to continue to hold. I'm going to continue to show you guys what I do on my channel. If you got any comments, questions, concerns, drop it down in the comment box below. Tell a friend, stay invested. Y'all continue to share the videos, like, subscribe, do all that good, cool stuff. Until next time, this is KDD Investor over and out. Peace.